Olive oil. It's more than just a kitchen staple. Did you know that olive oil is also a powerful health food with numerous benefits? It's loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can improve heart health, reduce cholesterol, and even protect against cancer. In this video, we'll explore the many health benefits of olive oil and share some simple tips for incorporating it into your diet. So, grab a bottle of your favorite olive oil and join us as we learn more about this incredible superfood. 1. Heart health. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known to lower LDL bad cholesterol and raise HDL good cholesterol. This can help reduce your risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular problems. 2. Cancer prevention. Olive oil contains antioxidants that can help protect your cells from damage. Some studies have shown that olive oil may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as breast cancer, colorectal cancer, and prostate cancer. 3. Brain health. Olive oil is good for your brain. It contains oleocanthal compound that has anti-inflammatory properties similar to ibuprofen. Oleocanthal may help protect your brain against Alzheimer's disease and other neurodegenerative diseases. 4. Weight management. Olive oil can help you maintain a healthy weight. It is a good source of calories, but it is also high in healthy fats that can help you feel full. 5. Skin health. Olive oil is good for your skin. It can help keep your skin hydrated and protect it from damage from the sun and pollution. Here are some additional things to keep in mind when talking about the health benefits of olive oil. The type of olive oil matters. Extra virgin olive oil is the most beneficial because it is cold-pressed and contains the highest levels of antioxidants. The amount of olive oil you consume also matters. The American Heart Association recommends that adults consume 2 tablespoons of olive oil per day. Olive oil is a healthy fat, but it is still a calorie-dense food. So, it is important to consume it in moderation and as part of a healthy diet.